Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. I'm trying out like another phone today as the camera to film this video, so I hope that it's good. If you like it compared to like my other camera, you let me know in the comments or whatever. Just trying to improve my videos a little bit. I'm not sure how I feel about this at the moment, but yeah, let's get into the video. So I wanted to show you guys something I got from Mac. Okay, so Tanzania actually has a Mac store, and this is like an authorized one. It's not like a franchise, it's like a proper Mac store that is owned by the Mac brand itself, and it's in Mlimani City. I want to like make more of an effort to show things that I get. I don't show everything that I buy, honestly, but I do think that you guys would find this interesting because obviously this is a shopping channel. So yeah, I want to show you. So here it is. That's the inside of the bag. It's pretty. I love the kind of red interior. It's kind of, you know, gives me like Louboutin vibes a little bit. So I bought a lipstick, and this is the lipstick that I bought. Let me just put the bag down here like that. So this is what I got, and the lipstick that I got was Velvet Teddy. This is a very famous lipstick color. So you can see that's the package, and yeah, this color, I've like worn it a few times already, but I just want to show you guys. So this is the color itself. Let me just swatch it really quickly. I'm unsure how it's gonna come across here in terms of the like, yeah, so you can see that's how it looks. Actually comes up very faint. Let me just add a little bit there. So yeah, as you can see, it's like a very nude. I'm actually wearing Heroin here now by MAC as well. So I picked this up. I've been wearing it to the office. I've been wearing it to work. And yeah, I'm just like really liking it. The MAC store in Tanzania is expensive. I mean, this is just pure facts. I just want to show you guys like how much this was. It was 77,700 shillings. So that's like $33 or 25 pounds. I mean, it's not cheap, but then I suppose like how much is a MAC lipstick in the UK at the moment? Is it like 18 pounds? So it's probably maybe just like an extra 7 pounds. I mean, I don't know if I think that's like a massive deal. So yeah, like I said, so I picked this up. I love the packaging. I think it's just like really, really cute. I have to say, I was very impressed with the packaging. I'm glad that they didn't like fob me off. And in Tanzania, there's like a ban on plastic bags. So this one is really nice and very environmentally friendly. I love that, the red there. I think it's so pretty. It's like really, these brands, like they really know how to keep our attention and how to keep us focused on the things that are from them. So I got this. I also picked up some new jeans. I got them, as you can see here, it says Mr. Price Home. I've talked about Mr. Price before on this channel. Very, very famous South African fast fashion brand. Not, as you can see, the packaging is like not as great, but whatever, you know. So I got these jeans. I forgot how much I paid for these. I'm currently like trying to lose weight, so I've been working really, really hard to lose weight, but I picked up these jeans, and yeah, just I really like them. They're high-rise 5-pocket skinny jeans, so yeah, they definitely like sit up here at my waist, but I do love these pockets here at the back. I love like that dark tone there. It's nice. So that's how the back looks, like that. And then yeah, it's really, really nice. I just really, really like them. I like how here, just like the inside, you can see it really is like a proper denim vibe here. So definitely like these. I've been wearing these a little bit as well. They aren't stretchy, and I think for me, I do like jeans that stretch. So I think next time, I like them, but I think next time that when I buy some jeans, I need to make sure that I buy jeans with stretch. So you can see like how they look here, like that. They're really, really nice, but they don't stretch. And I feel like when you're losing weight, you need to wear clothes that feel very comfortable. I'm not like a massive fan of like athleisure. That's not really my vibe or my thing. I wouldn't even say that I'm like a massive fan of jeans, but I think having jeans in your wardrobe is like necessary, because sometimes you just need to put on a pair of jeans and keep it moving. But yeah, they're not really stretched. So I think next time when I go and pick up something, I definitely need to look for something that's like more stretchy to accommodate like the weight loss that I'm making, but also to accommodate the size I am say at the moment, if you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, these are the things that I picked up. I got all of them at Mlimani City. I went there, picked them up. I think that like when it comes to shopping here, as opposed to shopping online, I think sometimes like the benefits of just going to the store. I know that for some of you around the world, you're in different situations when it comes to the dreaded bubonic plague that is C19. But in Tanzania, there is no lockdown. Honestly, it's like just basically moved on basically with our lives. So people are going to stores. I actually prefer going to stores personally. Like, I'm just more partial to stores. I like the physicality of going shopping, but I can also kind of see and feel like going shopping at the moment does feel difficult. I think also because sometimes like you feel like, okay, I'm going shopping, but like, what am I going shopping to buy? Am I going to buy something that I really want? But those are things that I needed. I actually need to like get more stuff as well. So if you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Subscribe and hit notifications. Do you want to see more videos of my hauls? Honestly, guys, I really don't show hauls on this channel, and I want to know if it's something that you guys want to see. Do you want to see luxury hauls? Do you want to see high street shopping hauls? Like, what are the types of things that you want to see from me? Please drop me a comment and let me know, because even just like a simple small comment for me, you have no idea how much it like energizes me to continue making videos. I definitely had that period where I hadn't been making videos because I've been so busy at the office working, but I want to make more of an effort and stuff for you guys. So make sure you hit that bell. If you want to see more hauls, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment, okay? I literally am constantly online, so please make sure you follow my Facebook, leave comments on my Facebook. I'm going to be posting a lot there, and also follow me on IG and let me know you found me on YouTube, so I will follow you back. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.